If you want a little idea of how hot it is in my room this morning, just know my AC broke and it's about 90 degrees outside. But good morning. I think it's about 8:30 in the morning. I couldn't sleep because it was so hot. But mini impulsive decision this morning. I kind of feel like I want to go to Pilates. I have not been in a minute. I think this might be fun, productive. I was supposed to change my sheets last night and I didn't even change my sheets because I knew I would just be too hot. Like I slept with nothing. This was literally my setup. I didn't use that. Doing a find an outfit for Pilates, but first we need one of these. I think today I'm gonna do this one. It's crazy how one sip of this in the morning can just really like chemicals, how we love them. Cheers. Okay, I need to hurry. I'm gonna try and make the 9 o'clock class. Shout out to Walmart for sponsoring today's YouTube video. Now let's go to Pilates. Here's the fit. This is from Lulu. These are from Target. When I come back home, I need to desperately clean my room. But I did clean a lot of it yesterday. It was worse. Like probably the worst I've ever seen it. I'm gonna throw on a t-shirt and then we gotta get going. Maybe I make it a task today to clean up my car as well. It's pretty bad in here. I love that instructor. She was probably my favorite instructor ever, I would say. And every single time I think that the classes are gonna get easier until they just don't. Like they just... I humble myself every single time. But I also haven't gone in a month, so that might be a problem. I need to start going more often because I forget how much I freaking love that place. I got a solid core, but I'm so dead. The sweat is real, but I also just sweat a lot. Second caffeinated drink of the day, dirty chai. Oh, and I got myself a breakfast sandwich. Okay, so I decided to hang out with my friends. I don't really like her very much. My best friend! I love her so much! Underground friend of mine. Yeah, like you guys have never seen her before. We're picking up kids from church camp. We babysit together. I'm just kidding. She babysits. But I decided to come with and pick up these babies. We're playing MILF today. Yeah, I don't really look like a MILF. She does, but like I think I don't. We don't look like MILFs or smell like them. Okay, so who's excited for an adventure today? Did you just say Kate?
I'm ready for ugly.
Go.
Say hello, Bozo.
I'm Jeff.
I don't want them to think that I have really weird cousins, so can you guys like not be weird?
Hi, I'm Jeff and I'm Bozo. Hey guys, little interruption. See me later on in the video, but I need to tell you about today's sponsor, which is Walmart. Me and Ava have been friends literally since first grade. She's going to college. I'm going to college spring semester, and I'm also moving, so we're not gonna be neighbors anymore. It makes me literally teary-eyed, and it's so sad. And one thing making college life and just dorm life so much easier is Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus gives you free delivery of groceries and other essentials straight to your dorm, and also you get a Paramount Plus essential plan for those cozy nights in. Don't skip up Walmart because there are so many things that you can get that are genuinely so cute. Whether it's room decor, again, just your daily essential, or just little knickknacks, skincare, shampoo, conditioner. All these things can come from Walmart. Like I see you, Walmart. Walmart is really stylish and really with the trend. I love Walmart because everything is priced at such an affordable amount. So for returning college students or first-time college students like myself, Walmart is definitely the place you should be shopping for all your dorm essentials. Make sure to check out Walmart Plus too because you do not want to be missing out on all the deals. So that is the end of today's sponsor. Link is in the description. I hope I put you guys on.
I'm a marshmallow.
Ava, you meant no joke when you said adventure.
Ava.
Whoever said like Washington isn't freezing, you're lying. There's a log swing. Oh my gosh, it's so hot in my room right now. The next few words you're gonna hear me say might be the grossest thing you're ever gonna hear me say, but I'm not gonna shower. I know, I'm disgusted. I just got home. Let me give you a little recap of my afternoon before I get ready. I have dinner plans and I'm gonna be late too. Basically my phone dropped in the water, then it died, so I actually don't even know if it's gonna work anymore. We got lost on our hike back. The kids we were babysitting, which were Ava's cousins, we were supposed to have back to the house by 5. We ended up getting back by 5:45. Then we didn't get out of her aunt's house until 6:15. Then there was traffic on the way home, and now I'm finally back at 6:30. And I have dinner like at 6:45, and dinner's 30 minutes away. So is it even worth going anymore with my family? Probably not. It's a nice day out, so you know what I'm finna do? I'm gonna go wash off all the gunk on my body from Lake Washington because that lake's disgusting. And then I'm just gonna slick my hair and find a cute outfit because I kind of have an idea of what I want to wear. And then I'm also gonna turn my fan back on so I don't burn up in the meanwhile. Dinner's actually not till 8. I'm so relieved. The dinner place we're going to is at the mall, so I want to shop a little bit, and the mall closes at 8, so I need to go. And maybe I'll give you a haul too. 20 minutes later, I changed my whole outfit. That's how it goes. It is so hot outside. I don't think I can last in like a nice outfit. So I'm currently just wearing a brandy tank and jean shorts because that's the only thing I'm going to be able to function in. But will I be devouring this ice cream anyway? Hell to the yes. It's so good. This is Scout Mint Brownie. If you don't like mint ice cream, I don't like you. I'm joking. My sister's so weird that she had a bite and she's like, ew, it tastes like toothpaste. I'll see you guys when I get home. I'll show you what I got. And I think we're gonna do a little unboxing haul too, because I have a few packages. Hey guys, don't mind my very unmade bed in the back, but I just have nowhere else to film in my room right now because it's a mess and still 90 degrees. I need to close my door. Stop with the skibbity toilet. Literally didn't have time to go into anything else, so I spent $26 on this top. I've seen this shirt all over, and I don't know why I got it because everyone has it, and I think it's a good basic and so cute. I'm a flowy top girl. It's so me. I have 2 packages that I want to open with you guys because I cannot wait until my like next PR unboxing video. Can't do it anymore. Savoring the stuff makes me go insane. I just want to open it right away. Friends, like little small business. I love Olivia. And she's literally just the sweetest and the best. And she came out with her bikini. She also has sweat sets. I was so excited. Like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I told her to surprise me. I'm shining my flashlight on this pattern so you guys can literally see it, because even though it's so faint, it's neon. It's gonna make you look tan. These bottoms, so flattering. And the quality is amazing. I'm not just like hyping her up because she's like my best friend, but honestly, she put the work into these bikinis. Like these bottoms in the ruffles. Here's this top. I love tops like these. I don't have enough of them. They're so flattering. Cute. And they let me pick out 3. Did I not just say I don't have enough of these? So of course I had to pick out this style and this adorable stripe pattern. And here are the bottoms. Then I got these bottoms, which really appealed to me because look at the scrunch. The way these are gonna sit on my hips. Yes. In this pattern, I have nothing like it. The top, I got this like halter style top. So not only can you wear it as a halter like this, but you can also flip it around and make it a bandeau. So it's like a 2-in-1. I'm so excited for this pattern. And this style top. Look at this top. It goes around your neck like this and then straps in the back. Also, these come off for a strapless moment. And here are the bottoms. I was worried these were going to be too cheeky, but they do not look too bad. Obsessed. So yeah, that is my little bikini haul and brandy haul. I feel so disgusting. I'm gonna take a shower now and probably go to bed. Oh wait, no. I'm just kidding. The Bachelorette is on tonight. I'll be watching that with Madra. But thank you guys so much for watching. This vlog was kind of all over the place, kind of weird. Let me know if you want more vlogs that are just chill and show what a little day in my life is like. But for now, we'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.